Here we go. This is Tori's litter. They are, how old are they? They are 3 days away from being 3 weeks old. So this is our, what is this? Is this our little guy or our little girl?
That's our boy.
Let's see. We'll take, oh, that's a boy.
Little tiny Tim.
That's a boy. Let's see what we've got here.
This is Noel.
There's little Noel. Okay, what about the others? They're trying to sleep over there.
This is Drummer Boy.
Well, we don't know what their names are for sure at this point. But that's a little boy right there. There's the 2 boys in front. And our one and only little dark girl. Okay. Now we've got a little girl coming. There's a little girl. Looky there. Look how cute she is, yes. And another little girl. And another one. Let's see if we can get some faces. They keep turning away. They keep turning away. Say, we're just learning to... Oh, we're trying to play. Look at the little boy. Look at him trying to play. He says, I want to play, sister. Yes, he does. And you want to play too, little girl? Oh, the other little boy and little girl's back there resting. Yes. I'm going to bring them back out here too. The ones that's resting. We'll see if we can stir them up just a little bit. Because they still want to rest most of the time. They're getting close to being able to crawl. They're doing pretty good. Oh my goodness, look at him go back there. Hello, little guy. Hello, little guy. Look up this way, little one. Don't go to sleep. I know, we're disturbing your nap. Sweet little girl. Sweet little girl. With her sister crawling on her back. And her little brother crawling on her back. And we've got a little girl trying to sleep. With her brother crawling on her head. Now we're starting to wake up over in this corner. We're starting to wake up. We're learning to play. We're learning to bite each other's heads and ears. This little one, she just wants to sleep, doesn't she? She says, I want to sleep. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This one says, I think I will crawl on top of the puppy mountain. Oh, there she is. Look how sweet she is. My goodness. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Oh, we've played ourselves out. See, it doesn't take much. We're already conking out, ready for a nap. My goodness. Okay, I guess all the puppies are starting to settle down. Well, this is Tori's litter once again, and we will say goodbye for the moment. Until next time.